Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur video background on mobile. So if you want to have that stunning professional bokeh effects right on your phone, CapCut will make it easier for you to blur your video background, and this is how you can do it. So first, you can just open your videos in CapCut. So let's say this is the video that I want to edit. Now you can just click on the video and duplicate it first. Tap on the one of the video and make it as overlay like this. Now click on the overlay video and remove its background. Click on the remove background, and here I'm going to just go with auto removal. Okay, so once the background is removed, now you can just go to effects, video effects, and add the blur effects to your video. And as you guys can see, it will automatically have that bokeh effect, but here I'm going to lower the intensity to make it more natural. So you can go with around 10 or 15. I'm going to just go with 14, just like this. Hit on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the effects to match with your videos. So now this is how your video will look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. So I'll see you in the next one.